Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Binta, and if this is your first time, feel free to look around my channel and consider subscribing if you like what you see. But if you're an old subscriber, thank you so much for tuning in and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is another juice recipe. This is going to be a weight loss / detoxifying juice recipe, and today we're going to be doing greens. Okay, greens are very good for you because they can speed up your metabolism and help the body in burning those unwanted calories. They have a lot of vitamins and minerals that your body needs on a daily, not just for weight loss, but also to help detox your system. So guys, if you want to see how I make this green juice recipe that is going to help you in losing weight and detoxifying your system in as little as 3 days, then stay tuned and watch the rest of the video. Thank you. Alright guys, so here are the ingredients that we're going to be needing, and we have some mint leaves, we have some lemons, I have some ginger, 1 root ginger, I have 2 cucumbers, and I also have some spinach. With this recipe, if you want, you can go ahead and use some apples to make it a bit sweeter, because all these things may not be too sweet for some people to drink, okay? But now I'm going to go ahead and just cut my vegetables into smaller pieces, medium-sized pieces, just to make sure I have an easy blend with my blender. By the way, I'm using a juicer, and the link to this juicer will be in my description box. I got it from Amazon. But it is so good, like so good. This is what I've been using to juice all my sweet and detox juice, and I am loving it. So for the lemon, you can go ahead and just peel it, and also go ahead and peel the white part of it, because the only thing we need is the lemon juice, or you can go ahead and just juice it. Alright, that's it. And for the remaining leaves, we are not going to be cutting those because they're easy to blend. Now I'm going to go ahead and just start putting the things in my juicer and blend. Okay guys, so now I am putting in the leaves, and with the leaves you can go ahead and add a little bit of water to it because it's going to help it juice more. But yeah, that's just what I did. Add some water when you're juicing some leaves with this juice. Okay, now I am adding some apple cider vinegar, just 1 tablespoon. You guys know that apple cider vinegar is one of the best ingredients in losing weight if you want it really, really quickly. So I added that to it. And yeah, basically that is it. I go ahead and drink this at night before bedtime, maybe 2 to 3 hours after you had your dinner. And guys, within 3 days, you will be losing massive amount of weight. Be rest assured that the weight you're going to be losing is going to be water weight, because guys, most of us be walking around with water weight and not fat, but people don't understand that. People think that every time you're losing weight, you're losing fat, but no, you will lose a good amount of weight, mostly water weight. So yeah guys, thank you so much for watching, and of course I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.